So hi children, in the previous video we discussed up to 27 questions now ma. So here in this worksheet we are having 30 problems totally. So here in this video we are going to discuss about the 28, 29, 30 problems. Okay. So 28th question, what they are asking here, cos square 25 degrees plus cos square 35 degrees minus cos 25 degrees into cos 35 degrees. So that value we need to find out. So see here ma. So cos square 25 degrees, cos square 25 degrees plus cos square 35 degrees minus cos 25 degrees cos 35 degrees. Okay. So this value we need to find out. But before going to find this one, so first we have to observe that which one we need to change. First, which one we have to change in terms of sign. Okay. So see here. First I want to show that cos square 25 degrees. I want to write this one as cos square theta as 1 minus sin square theta. So 1 minus sin square 25 degrees plus cos square 35 degrees minus, here this one, this is in the form of cos A cos B, but we are having the formula for that 2 cos A cos B. So 2 cos A cos B formula, what is that? 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. This is the formula for that cos of A plus 2 cos A cos B, cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. So minus, so I want to multiply and divide by 2. So 2 cos 25 degrees into cos 35 degrees whole by 2. So from this one, here we can write this one as 1 plus cos square 35 degrees minus sin square 25 degrees. Okay, I want to take together these two, cos square 35 degrees and sin square 25 degrees. Okay, minus, this is in the form of cos of A plus B, that formula we have to write now. So 1 by 2 into cos of A plus B. So 25 plus 35 degrees plus cos of A minus B. So cos of 25 minus 35 degrees. Brackets closed. So see here, 1 plus, here cos square A minus sin square B. So here we have that another formula, that is cos square A minus sin square B. So cos square A minus sin square B. So this formula related to cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. Cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B formula is cos square A minus sin square B. Okay. So that formula right here. So cos of A plus B. So A plus B means 35 plus 25, which is equals to 60 degrees into cos of A minus B. So 35 minus 25 is 10 degrees. Okay, minus 1 by 2 into, here cos 25 plus 35, cos 60 degrees plus cos of 25 minus 35 means minus 10 degrees. Cos of minus theta is cos theta only. So that is cos 10 degrees. Am I clear to you? Yes. So from this one, 1 plus cos 60 degrees means the value is 1 by 2 into cos 10 degrees. Yes or no? 1 by 2 into cos 10 degrees minus 1 by 2 into here cos 60 degrees. No. So cos 60 degrees means 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, and here minus into plus is minus 1 by 2 into cos 10 degrees. Okay, so plus 1 by 2 into cos 10 degrees minus 1 by 2 into cos 10 degrees. Am I clear children? So from this one, the leftover, which is equals to 1, and here these two terms gets cancelled. No? So minus 1 into 1 is 1, by 2 into 2 is 4. So 1 minus 1 by 4. So 1 minus 1 by 4 means here 4 ones 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 by 4. So what is the answer here? Answer is 3 by 4. Am I clear to you? So which option is correct ma here? Yes, option 2 is correct, that is 3 by 4. Okay children. So let us see that next question, 29th one. Yes, sin square 22 degrees plus sine square 38 degrees plus sine 22 degrees into sine 38 degrees. So just like that previous question only. Okay, so again the first sine square 22 degrees I want to write it as 1 minus cos square theta. Theta means 22 degrees. 1 minus cos square theta plus sine square 38 degrees plus, again I want to multiply and divide this term by 2. So 2 sine 22 degrees into sine 38 degrees whole by 2. Okay, now here related formulas. So before going to that, here I want to take that minus as common. So this one become as cos square 22 degrees minus sine square 38 degrees. Okay, plus 2 sine 22 degrees into sine 38 degrees whole by 2. Okay, now here related formulas once observe that. Here cos square A minus sine square B. So previous also we used that formula, that is cos square A minus sine square B is equal to cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. Understand? And in the same way here 2 sin A sin B. 2 sin A sin B. So 2 sin A sin B is the formula of cos of A minus B minus of cos of A plus B. Okay, so these two formulas here we have to use. Okay, so first one 1 minus at the place of cos square A minus sin square B, what is that formula? Cos of A plus B. So 22 plus 38 degrees cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. Okay, plus here 1 by 2 into this one we can write it as cos of A minus B, 22 minus 38 degrees minus cos of A plus B. Okay, so which is equals to 1 minus cos of 22 plus 38 is cos 60 degrees into cos of 22 minus 38, which means here 16 minus 16. So cos of minus 16 is a positive 16 plus 1 by 2 into cos 22 minus 38, again same, that is cos 16 minus cos 22 plus 38 degrees cos 60 degrees. Okay, now simplify that. So 1 minus cos 60 degrees is 1 by 2 cos 16 degrees. So 1 by 2 into cos 16 degrees plus 1 by 2 into cos 16 degrees multiplication ma, plus 1 by 2 into cos 16 degrees. Next plus into minus is minus 1 by 2 into cos 60 degrees value is 1 by 2. Okay, now here minus 1 by 2 cos 16 plus 1 by 2 cos 16 degrees gets cancelled. So from this one 1 minus, here 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. So which is equals to 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. Again we are getting here same result just like the previous question only, no? So that is 3 by 4. Am I clear to you children? So here which option is correct ma? Yes, option 2 is correct, that is 3 by 4. Okay, now see that the last question. Last but not least, see here the last question, 30th one. What is that? Sine square 50 degrees plus sine square 70 degrees plus sine square 170 degrees value we need to find out. Okay, so here sine square 50 degrees, again same model just like the previous one only ma. So here this one I want to write it as 1 minus cos square 50 degrees plus sine square 70 degrees plus sine square 170 degrees, we can write it as 180 degrees minus 10 degrees. Okay, so which is equals to 1 minus of cos square 50 degrees minus sine square 70 degrees plus sine of 180 minus theta. So sine of 180 minus theta is sine theta. So sine square 10 degrees. Clear? So from this one, 1 minus, again cos square A minus sine square B. So cos square A minus sine square B formula, what is that, ma? Again I am writing here, see that cos square B is equal to cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. Okay, so cos of A plus B 50 plus 70 degrees into cos of A minus B, cos of A minus B, okay, plus sine square 10 degrees, which is equals to 1 minus of cos 70 plus 50. So 70 plus 50 is 120 degrees, cos 120 degrees into cos 50 degrees minus 70 degrees. So 50 minus 70, that is minus 20 degrees. So minus 20 degrees means again you will get it as cos 20 degrees only. Okay, plus sine square 10 degrees. Okay, ma. So from this one, 1 minus cos 120, we can write this one as 90 degrees plus 30 degrees. Okay, 90 plus 30 into cos 20 degrees, into cos 20 degrees. Okay, plus sine square 10 degrees. So from this one, 1 minus of cos 90 plus theta. So 90 plus theta means second quadrant. In second quadrant cos is negative. Okay, so minus, so cos become as sine 30 degrees into cos 20 degrees plus sine square 10 degrees. Now simplify this. 1 minus into minus is plus, sine 30 degrees means 1 by 2 into cos 20 degrees plus sine square 10 degrees. So here 1 plus cos 20 degrees by 2 plus sine square 10 degrees. Okay, so from this one, 1 plus cos 20 degrees, we can write this one as cos 2 into 10 degrees by 2 plus sine square 10 degrees. Am I clear to you? We can write that 20 as 2 into 10, no. So that's why I written here 2 into 10. So which is equals to 1 plus cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta formula, 1 plus cos 2 theta formula in terms of sine. So 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Theta means here 2 sine square 10 by 2 plus sine square 10. Okay, now simplify this, which is equals to 1 plus 1 minus 2 sine square 10 degrees plus 2 into sine square 10 means 2 sine square 10 degrees whole by 2. So minus 2 sine square 10 plus 2 sine square 10 gets cancelled. Okay, so the leftover 1 plus 1 by 2. So 1 plus 1 by 2 means here 2 ones 2 plus 1. So 3 by 2. So what is the answer here? Answer is 3 by 2. So which option is correct here? Yes, option 3 is correct, that is 3 by 2. Am I clear to you, children? So here what is the answer? Answer is 3 by 2. Option 3 is correct. So here worksheet 3 completed up to here. So still we have that worksheet 3A. Okay, so worksheet 3A questions we will discuss in that next video. Till that time you have to read that all the formulas. Okay, thank you all.